Now, hello students. Now, lesson number 2 in the form of objective. I am revising the whole chapter. Though we have done track your progress and the exercises, so again in a small forms, these questions are there. So, Hydra ingests food by which organ? Tentacles. Frog ingests food by which organ? Long and sticky tongue. And the insect ingests food by which structure? That is called proboscis. And the process of elimination of undigested food or the waste is called egestion. Okay, the removal of the waste is called egestion. What is the other name of mouth? That is the buccal cavity. Now, saliva that is present in the mouth, because of which enzyme we are able to get it again and again with the help of salivary glands, yes, but with the help of which enzyme? Salivary amylase. And it helps to convert starch into sugar. Which type of sugar? Maltose and dextrine. What are the total number of teeth in the temporary set of teeth? They are 20 in number, and in the permanent set they are 32. Why they are 20 and 32? Because which type of teeth are not present in the milk teeth? They are molars. And what are the functions of the on the basis of the function of the teeth? There are 4 types of teeth inside the canines, premolars and molars. So tearing is used for by which type of teeth? Canines. There are total 4. That means 2 and 2, upper and lower jaw. Cutting and biting for incisors. There are total 8, 4 and 4 in each jaw. In the front one we have incisors. Grinding and crushing, both premolars and molars. So premolars are 8 total, 4 and 4 in each jaw. Molars are 12 in total, 6 and 6 in each jaw. So together 32. The swallowed food passes into which part? That means from the mouth after we have digestion, वो कहाँ जाता है फिर? Food pipe पे. Okay. The process of breakdown of complex components into simpler is called digestion. And the process by the food is being pushed with the help of esophageal muscles because of contraction and relaxation, and that is called peristalsis. Which acid is present in the stomach? HCl. This acid is not harmful. It helps the bacteria to kill the germs to kill that comes along the food. पर हाँ, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, एसिडिटी बढ़ जाती है तो हमारे बॉडी में एसिडिटी की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द फास्ट फूड दैट यू ईट और द इरेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ फूड दैट यू टेक. Now, stomach has got which lining? Protective lining, that is mucosa. It protects from the acidic effect. Protein is converted into which simple sugars? Amino acids. So, fats is converted into which simple sugars? That is fatty acids and glycerol. Complete digestion takes place in which organ? That is small intestine, because in the liver, pancreas, all the stomachs are being all the juices are being combined and go in the small intestine. Which is the largest gland? Liver. It is reddish brown in color. Liver secretes with juice, bile juice, which is stored where? In the gallbladder. And the process of large fat globules into small fat globules is called emulsification. Okay. And the inner lining of small intestine has a small finger-like projections. They are called villi. This helps to increase the surface area. And the process of intake of food, that is how we take the food from the mouth, and that process is called ingestion. We have all told the 5 steps of nutrition. Now, how the energy is being used up, all the blood vessels are being absorbed and we get the energy because of the method called assimilation. The region where most of the water is absorbed from the undigested food, that region is called large intestine. The 4 chambers of the stomach of the ruminants: rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. In that, rumen is the largest chamber जहाँ पे वो खाना को स्टोर कर लेते हैं before further chewing it. Abomasum true stomach है जहाँ पे पूरा डाइजेशन होता है. What is the half chewed food that they take it? That is cud. What is not digested by humans? Cellulose, because हमारे में वो बैक्टीरिया नहीं होता जो एनिमल्स में, हर्बीवर्स एनिमल्स पे होता है. I hope these objective 30 questions will help you a lot. Please learn it, and if you are able to write it, it's well and good. Thank you.